Alrighty, this is what we're up against. My client had some water damage and she had the carpet pulled back, the padding removed. So I'm here to reinstall new padding and then reinstall the carpet. You can see they cut the pad out all in this hallway, in this room here, and into this room here. So I'm going to install new padding, reinstall the carpet, redo all the seams. You can see the padding's gone, and then I got to redo all the seams here. Okay, stay tuned. Here's the results of the new padding install. Getting ready to install the carpet. What we have to do now is take off all this old seaming tape that's on all the ends where the seams were, because you cannot adhere this old seam, make a new seam and leave this old tape on it, won't hold. So we have to burn that off and make new seams. So stay tuned. Alright, Facebook, YouTube, here is the after results. All put back together like a jigsaw puzzle. Came out fantastic. Like there never even was a flood, like it never even happened. All new pad, all reinstalled. 5 seams, like it never even happened. Once again, as always, thanks for watching.